Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we've got a box of 2022 Panini Baseball Chronicles to open. Really excited to get into this one. I opened up a blaster box a few weeks ago. Enjoyed the cards, a lot of neat variations in there and different types. So decided to go ahead and get a whole hobby box of it. Comes with 3 autographs and a memorabilia card, 8 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. So let's get into it. Looking for Turkelson, Bobby Witt, maybe Julio Rodriguez, rookies, Wander Franco's. Even can get some, historic or older guy autographs. I think they have Griffey in here. Not sure who else. So my baseball knowledge is not what it used to be. So if I pull somebody and don't realize who they are, that is not intentional. I like the open here too. And heavy packs. All right, so jump right in here. The thing with these is that the cards come all flipped different ways. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I just don't know why they do that, but all right. So, Ohtani, good start. And right off the bat, look at that, Ohtani right back to back. This guy's just a beast, isn't he? How cool would an autograph of him be? Okay. What is this? Oh. Okay. Seabold, rookie. Glenn Otto. Spencer Strider. Go Atlanta boy. Oh, rookie. Nice. Okay. Edward Cabrera. There's a lot of rookies that come in these, which is something I liked as well. Scherzer, MIZ. It's a thick card. And O'Neal Cruz, Black Obsidian. See, this is something else I don't know is if the colors, a lot of times if you get a black card, I don't think they mean anything on this, but sometimes those black refractors or parallels are very rare. One of ones, that one's not. I don't think that's anything, but something I'm just not familiar with what the big pulls are when it comes to this box. So we might have our first patch card in here. So these are all over the place. Suzuki. Santillan. Andre Jackson, numbered. What is that, numbered to? 99, rookie. Who we lose here? Okay, so not anything special, just a thicker card. That is Brian Reynolds. These cards are slippery, I will say that. Jazz Chisholm. Oh, okay. Looks like the next one. Kristen Yelich. What do we got? Bo Pichette. What do we have from him? Okay. Yeah, these are nice looking cards here too, so. American Pastime. Nothing crazy, but good looking card. I'll put that off to the side, and then, all right, it's another Corbin burner. All right, so that's going to be our memorabilia card right there with Bichette. We're watching Dante Bichette, the Rockies, growing up. And he had two sons make it to the bigs, and one of them took a much different path in life. All right, here we go. Bryce Harper. Cool ticket card. Like I said, I like how these cards look. Aaron Ashby. Here we go. First autograph card. Rice. Reese. San Diego. All right, we'll check him out. And then up Trout. It's also on average you get 3 autographs, so hopefully we do get a box with 3 and don't get gypped. Maybe on average, maybe we'll get 4. Josiah Gray. These are cool cards. I like these. Oh, there we go, Wander. Nice rookie there. Okay, we got Diego Castillo and Vidal Brujan. All right. 3 packs left, halfway through. Like I said, these are all cool looking cards. I did a lot of autograph getting when I was younger growing up, and we would definitely have to put some powder on these to get these signed because they are some slick cards. But they are neat. All right, Jackson Kowar. My goodness, they're different sizes too, almost. Jose Siri. This might be another autograph here. Yep. Kyle Mueller. Atlanta. Okay. Let's see who that is. Jacob DeGrom. I'm hoping that we could have pulled a big autograph in here. Maybe still a chance. Who we have here? Acuna. Very nice. Shout out my boy Isaac. Tatis Jr. Remember his dad. Jake Cousins. Edward Cabrera. All right, so far 2 autographs, guys. I don't personally know, but we will take a look at them afterwards. 2 packs left. Should be 1 autograph left in here. I'd love to get that Bobby Witt Jr. Would be cool. Alrighty. Oh, there's Torkelson. There we go. Good rookie one there. Those 2 cards here. So we got a Wander and a Spencer. All right, Luis Gill. That's a cool card. I haven't seen that one yet. Gavin Sheets. Is this going to be the 3rd autograph? It is. Chicago. All right, so Javier Baez. Unfortunately, 3 autographs of 3 guys I do not know. Stephen Kwan. Oh, this is numbered. It's numbered 2. 99. All right, cool. Little extra hit there. Harper. De La Cruz. And what do we have here? Some of these are just hard to read. Josiah Gray. All right, so 1 pack left. be one of the longer videos we've posted. Typically we're opening up boxes with, 2 to 4 cards in them. This is 8 packs, or 6 packs here. Taking a little bit longer, so let's see if we get anything else in this last one. Brian De La Cruz. Crusade. Cool. Oh, looks at that. Almost missed that card below it. It's a cool Trout. Gary Sanchez. Aaron Ashby. Okay, last couple cards. Another Torkelson. O'Neal Cruz. Little basketball looking card there. Okay, and our last 2 cards are Luis Frias and Chaz McCormick. All right, so that's cool box. I love these cards. I love how they look. 3 autographs. I'll have to look these guys up and see who exactly they are, but always happy with the variation in here, and definitely something I would get again. So that is all we got for today. We will catch you guys next time.